Hi, this is BillFeaver, and I wanted to show you how to make a URL redirect on the Home Business Academy FunnelBuilder tool. This is my Home Business Academy page, and I go then to the FunnelBuilder tool. Here's my tool. Click on that, and that takes me to my login. This is the first page that I have on my my connection page, which is at the top. All these are pages that I've built with the HBA Funnel Builder, but I want to show you how to create a redirect. You would go to this little gear over onto the left side here, click on that, and it says here let's see. Down here, then it says here, go to URL redirects. These are my redirects. I'm going to add a new one, and so I go up here. My old, what I'm going to create it to is I'm going to connect it to my web page, which would be slash, and I'm going to put X. And what I'm doing is I'm creating a redirect to my X social media page. Then I would put in here https x.com/@BillFeaver, and I'm going to save it, and it should be at the bottom over here. Yes, it's right here. So now we're going to test it. Okay, so then we're going to, it's saved. I can close out this page, and I'm going to go over here to my thing, and I'm going to say WilliamFeaver.com. That's my web page /X, and we'll see if it works. Yeah, and there we are. Took me to my Twitter page, or X page. So that's how it works. I wanted to show you one more thing, if I can find it. I guess I don't have it up. But basically, what I want you to do is, if you can, to subscribe to my my page. If you like this video, if it helped you. You can leave a comment or thank you to tell me what's going on with you and connect with me. You can go to my connection page at WilliamFeaver.com, and shows all the things that I have been connected to or built, and there's some business opportunities there. And so that's basically what I wanted to tell you today. And if you find it valuable, thank you, and like and subscribe to my webpage. Have a great day.